My name is Kharim Saddler, Fisheries Assistant with the Department of Marine Resources with responsibility for extension. Today we had a fish aggregating devices, FADs, exhibition and training workshop, and this was in recognition of World Food Day 2022. We were able to share some information with students and the general public on what are fish aggregating devices and their importance to food security and fisheries management. We also had a training session with fishers where we went through various techniques in terms of FAD construction as well as FAD development. We covered different areas from FAD construction, FAD deployment, considerations necessary for the development of a FAD, as well as safe deployment of FADs. We also looked at species that could be caught around FADs as we are focusing on food security. During the training session we did some rope work, and what this focused on was splicing techniques, and what this is giving the fishers alternative to knots. Knots undergo a lot of stress when you place FADs out in the water, and this wears out a lot faster than splices. Splicing is a technique where you intertwine the strands of rope into one another, and this over time improves the lifespan of the FAD. This workshop is not the first of its kind. We've had several of these workshops before, but we do intend on having more of these in the future, as they help to ensure that the general public understand what we do here, the programs that we are involved in, as well as developing and building capacity in fishers so that they are able to, in their own operations, perform at a higher level and place FADs out there that are safe, as well as we can call upon them as resource persons in the future when we're doing trainings such as this, so each one can teach another.